Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Got another MJ play here, Greenlane Holdings. I've been going to do a video on this one for a little while, and keeps getting pushed back, and there's some information here, and just going to see if anybody has this one, and another company here that I'll go over eventually. But this is Greenlane Holdings. As you can see here, it's on Robinhood, so you can trade this one on Robinhood. Ticker GNLN. If you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, you can check the links in the description to get yourself some free stock, whether it be Webull, Moomoo, Firstrade. But this is Greenlane Holdings. This is kind of what it's done here over the last month. Been kind of volatile over the last month. Here's the 3 months, 582 down to 436. Had a run up in the middle of February at 760, and then just kind of ran down to the end of March, and now it's climbing back up again. So this one's been kind of volatile, stays in the 4, 5, 6 range, almost touches 6 at times. And here's a look at the last week, just kind of up and down throughout the day in that $5 range, and took a dip there. So here's what it's doing today. It has a really great day, starting out at 550, went up to 592. As you can see, I have 20 shares of this one, 471. I've had them here for a while, so I'm in the green again on this one. Again, it's a long-term play for me. This one supplies vaporization products and accessories for vape shops and dispensaries. The firm offers packaging, rolling, papers, grinders, glass products, and smoking accessories. The company was founded by those two in 2005, headquartered in Boca Raton, Florida. And I've done a couple MJ videos this week where shops were specifically in Florida, and seems to be going pretty good in Florida, so this one should be doing pretty good there. So kind of small volume and a very small market cap, a little over $500,000, or $500 million, I should say, 584 million. Here's a look at the earnings. They have one expected up on June 3rd. If you want to see when I bought mine coming up on 2 years ago, and they've just set and held them, so they've been kind of up and down. So again, these are long-term plays, and so I don't trade them. I just buy them and let them sit here and do their thing. So, but Kush Company is another one that I have that it hasn't done anything for the longest time. Let me see. I think the ticker is KSHB. So this one is Kush Holdings. It's kind of the same thing. Sells packaging, containers, ancillary products for MJ products. I bought this one a couple years ago for like $4 or $5, and it's really came down since then. Probably somewhere in here, I think I bought mine, but again, I've just kind of let it sit there and do its thing, but this was pretty decent stock there for a while, and then for whatever reason, I think legalization, there was a bunch of politic type of stuff going on. I'd have to look back and see what was going on, but that one should come back up. But that's what Kush Holdings is. Reports fiscal second quarter 2021 results. And revenues increased 23% sequentially to 32.9 million, driven by higher sales. And this is just dated yesterday. Premier provider in ancillary products and services to the legal, MJ, and CBD industries, today reported financial results for its fiscal second quarter ended February 28, 2021. And feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself. We'll go into a little bit more on Kush Holdings here later in the video. But again, this just kind of goes over their financials. Again, you can find us on, I can't even say that website, but that's where it's at. So back to Yahoo Finance. Shareholder alert investigates Greenlane Holdings, and this is just dated on the 31st. Investigating possible breaches of fiduciary duty and other violations of law. Board of Directors of Greenlane Holdings is connected with the company's proposed merger with KushCo, Kush Holdings. Under the terms of the merger agreement, KushCo Holdings will receive approximately 0.2546 shares of Greenlane Class A common stock for each KushCo share they own. Following consummation of the transaction, existing Greenlane shareholders will receive 50.1% of the new entity, with KushCo shareholders owning 49.9% of the combined company's common stock. And so just kind of some legalities. There's some further information where they're located, and investigating whether Greenlane's board acted in the best interest. So again, it's just looks like a bunch of legalities to me. You can find that on Yahoo Finance if you want to look into it a little bit further. Greenlane Holdings and KushCo announced Transformative merger, creating the leading ancillary MJ company. So these do like the packaging, papers, all the FDA approved products that the MJ products need to be in. So at some point these would have to go up, I would think, because all the products need some type of a packaging. So I don't know why these stocks wouldn't go up, but you can see what it's doing today. So, but again, Greenlane's on the Nasdaq. Kush used to be Kush Bottles, now it's KushCo. Is on the OTCQX. And here's the proposed transaction. Under the terms of the merger, we'll receive approximately kind of some of the same information we just went over. Feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself. And so if you own both of these, be watching them and kind of see what they do and throughout the merger. And again, feel free to pause and go over that information there for yourself, or else you can go right to MarketWatch and find this information, as where I found it. But it's rather lengthy. It's all legality type lingo. So, shareholder alert: an Associates PC announced an investigation of Greenlane Holdings. So again, just more legalities dated here on the 3rd, kind of some more up-to-date information. Top 50 in the 2018 and 19 report, and headquartered in the Empire State Building, related to its proposed merger of KushCo Holdings. Under the new terms agreement, KushCo shareholders will receive kind of some of the same information we went over already, just some more updated information. And here again it goes over, if you own and wish to obtain additional information, you can go to that website. Over here to Reddit. 2 months ago, early part of this year. So there's some people watching this one. It's not a huge group. I haven't really heard too many people talking about this one. I do like that it is on the Nasdaq. That gives a little bit more credibility than being on the over-the-counter. Kind of a small group. 2003-29. But you can see the nice run-up that it's having here today. So we'll see if that continues. Give a 6. Kind of some of the same information that we already went over here. But if you have any Greenlane or any KushCo, there you go. Little Bruce Almighty. But if you have any Greenlane or any of KushCo, ticker KSHB, put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know. And what your cost basis is. And again, I'm long-term on these. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel and get the videos out to some other people and promote the channel. And like I said, use the links in the description, get yourself some free stock, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for the support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.